Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you my method in making knife cut noodles, or more commonly known in Hakka as Dalmate. It's really simple, you only technically need 2 ingredients, plain flour and water. In terms of the amount of each ingredient, I'm going to quote Uncle Roger here, just use feeling. Just make sure the dough doesn't feel sticky, if it does, add more flour. Once you've got the amount of dough you want to use, cut out a portion to roll flat. Just make sure you dust the work surface first with flour. Keep on coating each side with flour as you roll to the desired thickness. This prevents it from sticking to the work surface and each strand when you cut. You can actually fold prior to cutting to make it easier and faster when you're cutting with a knife. Traditionally, we cut with a cleaver, which in Hakka you call dalma, hence dalmate. Repeat the rolling and cutting process, but whilst you're doing that, heat up some water in a pot. Once you finish cutting, you can put all the strands into boiling water, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Scoop out the noodles to drain and cool. Repeat the process of boiling, draining and cooling. If you actually have a steamer, you could steam instead. This makes the noodles less sticky and doesn't clump together as much. Once all the noodles are cooked, it's entirely up to you if you want to use it immediately for fresh cooking or store it in the fridge for later use. It's very versatile because you can use it in a stir fry. Just add whatever meat, veg or sauce you want to use, or you could even have it as a soup-based noodle dish. The same process and dough is used for making dumplings as well, except instead of using a knife, you'd use a circular object to cut the shape like a cup. For the filling, it's entirely up to you again. I made 2 batches. One batch I made was using the ingredients garlic, salt, spinach, onion, tuna and cheese. And for the other one I used pork, carrots, onion, cheese and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You could actually even blend vegetables to change the colour of the dough. Here I used spinach. So again, just like the noodles, you could boil the dumplings or you could steam it in a steamer. Hope you've enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.